welcome back to my channel, and those of you who are new, hi, I'm Marilyn. So this is our room tour, and if you've seen my previous vlogs, you will know that we actually prefer to stay in hostels. I'll insert some of the day and night hostel pictures clicked during our stay over here, and also I'll link the previous vlog in the description below or at the end of this vlog. So while we were staying there was this party happening in the hostel itself. So Gili T is the largest of Lombok's Gili Islands, which measures just around 3 kilometers long and wide with a population of hardly 1,000 people. Well, the main thing about Gili T is, as well as the other two Gili Islands, that there are no motorized vehicles. The mainstreams of transportation are just bicycles and small horse-drawn carriage. That's it. Sometimes you find yourself in the middle of nowhere, but sometimes in the middle of nowhere you find the real you.